Welcome to Car Culture Club, your go-to channel for everything automotive, from the latest releases to in-depth reviews and comparisons. Today, we're diving into the specs and features of the 2026 Kia Telluride, one of the most anticipated SUV models in the midsize segment. Kia continues to evolve its flagship SUV with design enhancements, tech upgrades, and performance improvements, aiming to maintain its strong position in the competitive SUV market. The 2026 Telluride carries forward its bold and rugged exterior styling, which has been slightly refined for a more modern and aggressive look. The front fascia now features a redesigned grille with a more angular pattern and integrated LED headlights that offer a sharper, more futuristic appearance. The overall profile remains muscular, with clean body lines and a confident stance. New alloy wheel designs are available, ranging from 18 to 21 inches depending on the trim level, giving buyers more options for personalization. Roof rails and skid plates enhance its adventurous appeal, especially on the off-road focused X Pro variant. Under the hood, the Telluride retains its powerful and reliable 3.8-liter V6 engine, producing around 291 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It offers both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. The powertrain remains smooth and refined, suitable for daily driving as well as highway cruising. Towing capacity remains strong at around 5,500 pounds, making it practical for hauling trailers, boats, or camping gear. Fuel economy is estimated at around 20 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway, depending on drivetrain and trim. Inside, the 2026 Telluride continues to impress with a spacious and upscale cabin. It can seat up to 8 passengers comfortably with optional second-row captain's chairs available for a 7-passenger configuration. Premium materials like Nappa leather upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and real wood accents are featured in higher trims. The centerpiece of the interior is a massive curved digital display that integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with multiple USB-C charging ports throughout all 3 rows. In terms of safety and driver assistance, Kia includes its updated suite of features called DriveWise. Standard features include forward collision warning, blind spot collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. New for 2026 is an enhanced highway driving assist system that offers better lane centering and smoother adaptive cruise functionality, giving drivers more confidence on long trips. Additional features include a premium Harman Kardon audio system, ventilated and heated seats in the front and second rows, a power lift gate